Let's solve the question. 1 over 2 to the power of minus 3 square minus 10 to the power of 6 plus minus 5 is equal to 8 square minus 10. And totally, what is b? Minus 10 to the power of 8 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 over 100. The answer is D. We have a trick in this question because 3 and 4, 6 and 5 are similar to each other. Let's check 3 and 4 and 6 and 5. 3 is less than 4. This means 3 minus 4 square. 3 minus 4 square. Then 6 minus 5 is bigger than 0 and it is 6 minus 5 cube. 6 minus 5 cube. And this is 1 and 1. They are equal to each other. So 1 minus 1 cube. 1 minus 1 cube. As you see, it is 0 cube and it is also 0. Left side is not necessary. 0 times anything is 0. Let's check the question. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 is 12. In this diagram, we can see that 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 times 4. And 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 times 1 is equal to 13. Let's check if it's true. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. This means our number is 1. The answer is E. In this question, it is true, it is wrong. So 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3. And the C is not true because if you expand the parentheses, A minus B plus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Only one is true. In this question, we need to do calculations. Root of 63 is equal to 3 times root of 7. It is 0. And the second one is related to root of 1 over 9 is equal to 1 over 3. It is rational number. 2 times 3 root 2 times 4 over 2 times root 3 is not a rational number. It is irrational number. Then let's follow. Start, enter an operation. Is the result of operation a rational number? Yes. Then print out. First, second is like this, but what about third one? No. Print result not found. So with print result not found only for third one. The answer is A. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Z is 2. Y is 6. What about X? It must be 4. And we see 4 here, 13. So X is 5. 5 plus 2 plus 6. 5 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 13. 9 plus 8 minus 5 minus 7 is equal to 5. 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. It is here. 15 plus 11 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 18. 26 minus 8 is equal to 18. So it's also true. Let's check the last one. 6 plus 17, 23. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. The subtraction is 9. The answer is C. In this question, 3 times 9, 27. 9 times 7, 63. 7 times 6, 42. This means 6 times 3 is equal to 18. It starts with 18, so A, D, E are eliminated. So 15, 30, 15, 30, 45, 90, 45, 90. This means Y is 45, Z is 90. The answer is C. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. What is the difference? Minus 1. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 4 is 4. What is the difference? 6. It is here. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12. What is the difference? 8. The answer is E. Let's try to understand the pattern. How many pieces are there? There are 10 pieces. 4 of them are shaded, 6 of them are blank. Totally, this is it. Let's check if it's true. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over 4. 4 is shaded, 4 is blank. 8 over 4, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. So our pattern works. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 over. How many shaded regions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many of them are empty or blank? 14. 14 plus 10 over 3. When you calculate it, you are going to reach 52 over 3. In this question, you can start from here. A square minus B square and A plus B. A plus B times A minus B is equal to 15. A plus B is given as 5. This means A minus B is 3. Then you can calculate A is 4, B is 1. Like this, when you continue, you are going to reach the results. And what is A plus B plus C? It is 10. What is D plus E plus F? It is 21. 10 over 21 is our answer. 5 times 7, 35. 2 times 3, 6. 35 plus 6 is 41. 9 times 8, 72. 4 times 2, 8. 72 plus 8 is 80. 3 times 7, 21. 1 times 2, 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. The answer is D. If you read the question carefully, C and A tells the same thing. They both are talking about the same thing. C opens the safe, I am opening the safe. And if only one of them tells the truth, both of them cannot tell the truth. So B is right. Let's check. A is not telling the truth. Yes, he is a liar. And C is a liar because B is telling truth and opening the safe. The answer is B. Sum of the squares is semicircle. This is 11. This is 11. Total 22. This is 7. This is 11. Total 18. This is 29. This is 19. 29 plus 19 is equal to 48. The answer is E.